where I will be giving you a brief idea about the different professions or the different careers, what are the requirements for it, what are the different roles and responsibilities, what are the basic educational qualifications required for it, and which are the different colleges that one could probably get admitted into. I will at the same time be posting a brief PPT also of the same on the channel. So even if you do not remember the entire content, it's absolutely fine. You can go through the PPT to get a brief idea. Or in case you still have some doubts and queries, you are always welcome to ask your questions in the comment sections for the same, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So the first cluster that we are going to talk about is the legal services. Now when we talk about the legal services, first thing that comes to our mind is a courtroom, a set of or a bunch of people wearing black coats. Yes, obviously, we are talking about legal services which involves lawyers. Now. We feel as a layman, sometimes it is obvious that we feel that lawyers are lawyers, but there are different types that one could specialize into after getting a basic graduate degree in law. So the different types are, one could get into civil law, criminal law, taxation, corporate, legal, where where lawyers, and usually lawyers represent either an individual like you and me, or they could represent the government, or they could represent big corporate firms as well. So the specializations are going to be different. Now, the responsibilities is irrespective of the type of law that you specialize, remain more or less. Obviously, they are going to slightly vary depending upon what specialization you have taken into. So, a few common roles and responsibilities would be representing the clients in the courtroom, presenting the cases, preparing for it, summarizing it, and presenting the case in front of the judge. Then examining of the evidences that have been provided, negotiate for settlements, preparing legal drafts for it, because the language is just not common language that you and I can know. Lawyers are well versed with languages. So these are some of the common responsibilities that lawyers do have, and a few skills that an individual must have is doing a little bit of research work, because gathering of evidences or material requires a lot of research work. Preparing drafts requires skills of documentation, and obviously when it's not just normal talking that lawyers do, it's negotiating. So negotiation skills are also something extremely important. Now you all will feel that, do I need to have these skills right from the beginning? No, you can eventually gradually develop them over a period of time as well. Then coming to the career opportunities, so you can be lawyers, you can take up a company secretary also, you can become advocates, legal advisors, and if we talk about the demand for law or legal services or lawyers in common is a lot high in India. The fee structure, if one talks of, is medium, as one would say around 3 to 4, under 5 lakhs is what I would basically put it. And there are obviously to prepare, one needs to prepare for the entrance exams as well for different colleges. Now there are some good colleges like the Faculty of Law in Delhi, the National Law School in Delhi again. Then we have a few good colleges like the Symbiosis Law College or the ILS Law College in Pune. We have a good Gujarat National Law University in Gandhinagar. So these are, you all can pursue your graduation as well as your post graduation in one of these universities. Now y'all can, to get into law, y'all can have, y'all can pass out 12th standard from any stream, and later on pursue BA, BBA, BCom with LLB, and go into getting the masters and the PhD. Obviously LLM and PhD involves a lot, involves specializations. So by then y'all will be able to fix up on what specialization that y'all need to do. Now, apart from fighting cases in the courthouse, there is one more important aspect which the lawyers depend on, is the forensic sciences. Now, forensic sciences, as it says, it applies a lot of scientific methods into gathering of evidences required for a particular case of investigation, especially criminal investigation. Wherever it is involved, it involves a lot of forensics, like now, a forensic scientist, his or her testimony or his words are also very valuable in the courthouse. Now, what does a forensic scientist do? A forensic scientist visits the morgues or the places of criminal activity, and they gather, collect or gather, investigate physical evidences, put them through a lot of tests, which uh, like collection of evidences like fiber, cloth, etc. Then these evidences are put through various chemical testing. So you all can imagine how important forensic science plays in the preparation of a uh, case. Okay, now what you all can, as a forensic scientist, what are your career opportunities that you all could work on? Is a crime scene investigator, a crime lab assistant or lab analyst, forensic scientist, forensic specialist, a crime scene analyst. These are very few and almost kind of specialized fields that are required in a uh, investigation. Now, the demand for these or demand for this forensic science is okay. I wouldn't say too high and too low. I could put it as a medium. Again, there are entrance tests, but for now there are various fields that you could specialize in, for which you need to have. Now, so I've been talking about forensic science, so you all know that you all will have to pass your 12th with science, get into either BSc forensic science, BSc and specialize with forensic sciences, or you all could get into MBBS also and have a MD in forensic sciences. And if you all choose to go by the BSc branch, you all can obviously go get into your master's, PhD or a PG diploma for the same. And the universities which I already previously mentioned, those are some good universities that you all could get into to pursue the same degree. Now, despite this, if you all have any, so this was a brief introduction to the legal services um, cluster. But apart from this also, if you all have any doubts, queries, you all are most welcome to put them in the comment section so that I will answer it at the earliest. And also I would like to before I close my video, I would like to tell that we at Career Drishti conduct psychometric tests, personality tests. So if you all are interested in getting them done, I will be mentioning the link for the same in the description box. So do visit our website and get back to us with any doubts or queries. Bye bye and have a nice day.